Churchable English Stories, number 306. Do I have a place in heaven? A true story that happened 50 years ago. An unforgettable thing in my life. I had a friend in my office. His name is Tuty. We will see many people coming in search of him every day. His action will amaze us. He listens to the needs of the people, fulfills them immediately. He is the one who is involved and investigating and expediting the action of those who are delaying the action in the other office. Those who live in neighboring town or house next to his house, or those who carry hungry children. One day, when he went out to help many people and came back, he asked me a question that surprised me. After thinking calmly, I said, I have read the chapter number 26 of the Gospel Matthew and see what Jesus says in it. Chapter 25, verse 31. When the Son of Man comes in his glory and all the angels with him, he will sit upon his glorious throne, and all the nations will be assembled before him, and he will separate them one from another, as a shepherd separates the sheep from the goats. He will place the sheep on his right and the goats on his left. Then the king will say to those who are on his right, Come, you who are blessed by my Father, inherit the kingdom prepared for you from the foundation of the world. For I was hungry, and you gave me food. I was thirsty, you gave me drink. A stranger, you welcomed me. Naked, and you clothed me. Ill, and you cared for me. In prison, and you visited me. Then the righteous will answer him and say, Lord, when did we see you hungry and feed you, or thirsty and we give you drink? When did we see you a stranger and welcome you, or naked and clothe you? When did we see you ill or in prison and visit you? And the king will say to them in reply, Amen. I say to you, whatever you did for the one of those least brothers of mine, you did it for me. Then he will say to those on his left, Depart from me, you accursed, to the eternal fire prepared for the devil and his angels. For I was hungry, and you gave me no food. I was thirsty, you gave me no drink. A stranger, you gave me no welcome. Naked, and you gave me no clothing. Ill and in prison, you did not care for me. Then they will answer and say, Lord, when did we see you hungry or thirsty, or a stranger, or naked, or ill, or in prison, and not ministered to your needs? He will answer them, Amen. I say to you, whatever you did not do for one of these least ones, you did not do for me. And these will go off to eternal punishment, but the righteous to eternal life. What Jesus considered worthy of heaven is how we help others. He finds people with no religious discrepancy. I have no doubt that if we continue to help, it will be an important way to attain heavenly blessings. It is not too much to say that work we did for the poor, needy. Mother Teresa became a saint, gained praise and came from many countries. Let's think about how our life is and act. May God bless us and work hard to get many benefits. And at the end of our ideal journey, we belong to the heavenly